an Impossible Burger made in the microwave and a large onion ring with the spicy sauce.
Like the zesty sauce or buffalo sauce?
The zesty sauce.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, can we get another Impossible Whopper with extra onion?
Did you want that one off the broiler or in the microwave?
Broiler's fine.
Okay. And you said with what not on it?
Extra onion.
Extra onion. Okay.
And can I get a small onion ring with buffalo sauce?
Okay.
And that'll do it, I guess. Actually, can I add a taco to that, please?
Yeah.
Do it.
Anything else?
That'll do it.
Alright, I have an Impossible Whopper out of the microwave, a large onion ring with zesty, the Impossible Whopper off the broiler with extra onion, a small onion ring with buffalo, and a taco.
Correct.
Alright. It's going to be $17.88 at the first window, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you get an Impossible Burger off of the broiler, it's not truly vegetarian because on the broiler they make burgers and chicken products. So that's why I ordered it from the microwave. That way it's not touching the meats. Ooh, I'll be interested for you to try the taco. See what that's about. Tacos at Burger King. It's kind of crazy.
So you get a burger that's supposedly, I don't know how good it is for you because it's got all the other stuff on, but yet you get onion rings with it,
Which what?
the onion rings are bad for you. No, I thought you were doing it for health stuff.
No, I'm eating the Impossible Burger because I don't eat meat.
What?
I'm recording.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna leave that in there. Yeah, I'm doing it because I don't want meat. And if I do it in the microwave, it doesn't touch the meat on the broiler. Chicken and burgers. It's really not healthy because it's still processed, you know. But, yeah.
So I really shouldn't be eating this because I wasn't supposed to have fast food, and here I am having fast food and a burger that's marginally good bad for me. Hey. Thank you. Another clientele base. They had the meat eaters and the non-meat eaters. They want to draw their business in too, so they do it for the non-meat eaters. Thank you. Have a good night. Where am I going?
Ooh. Onion rings. I can't even imagine what a taco is like at Burger King. It looks like a little tiny piddly.
It's a paste. There's no actual meat on here.
Where is the beef? Did you get barbecue sauce? Yes.
Purple.
Oh, you got a little one?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. I love onion rings. Oh my god. So, I cannot wait to try this. So you've got extra onion here. I'm so excited about this. Okay, does anyone else eat like one thing at a time? Like, do you eat like all of your onion rings at one time and then you eat your sandwich, or do you eat like a combination? I kind of eat a combination of them. So, as this is how it looks. Can't see it. That's how it looks right there. Impossible Whopper. They're in a kind of a neat mint green kind of wrapping, which is kind of cool. Ooh. And this is how it looks. It looks just like a burger patty. It's got all of the fixings on it that a Whopper would have. I am trying to be creative here, but because I'm gonna take the onions off. Do you want these onions?
Sure.
I knew we would. Where do you want them? I can throw them out the window if you want.
No.
Woo! Would you mind turning on the Jeep when you're done? It's hot. Steve got one with extra onions. I only see extra lettuce. I see a lot of onions on mine. I wonder if they did the extra onions on mine. Okay, do you want these?
Well, isn't this one from the microwave?
Oh! I have the wrong one then. Oh, look. This is the flame broiled one because it's all brown. Oh, this is the wrong one then. Any more? Sorry. Switching burgers. Okay. Ooh, it's hot here. I definitely don't want all this lettuce on that. Tons of onions. Sorry guys, this might be a long review.
One eternity later.
Okay. So this is what mine looks like. And it came from the microwave, and you can tell that there is a difference between the two. His was on the broiler, mine was on the microwave. So now that we're situated, I think, and it's probably cold, I'm going to give this bad boy a try, and we'll see how it goes.
Tastes okay. It's definitely not a Whopper. The Whopper was one of my favorite fast food burgers, and it doesn't have the same taste as an actual real burger.
Yeah, so I agree. I agree. I mean, it's good. It's you know, it's certainly edible. It's good. I like Boca burgers. I love the Beyond Burger. Beyond Burgers are the best in my opinion if you don't eat meat. The Impossible Burger's okay. I was so excited about this because I miss eating a Whopper. Yeah, I'm not real impressed with it. I don't think it's great.
Not great, you can definitely taste the difference.
Yeah.
But if you're a vegetarian, I guess it would be a good substitute for it.
Yeah. Or a pescatarian. It's, yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's great. I'm kind of disappointed. I thought it would be, I don't know, I thought it would be more like a burger. It looks like a burger. It smells like a burger, but I don't think it's got that burger taste to it. Like the true Whopper taste. It might if it's flame grilled.
It's got a decent taste to it, it's just not.
I'm wondering if yours
it's not
tastes
meat.
Right. I wonder if yours tastes better because you had it put on the broiler. Like, you know, like Burger King broils their meat. That's what they're famous for. And I had this microwaved. So I'm wondering if there's a difference. Can I have a little nibble of yours? Just the corner.
What's the onion?
Oh, see, there's the Whopper taste. There's the Whopper taste, you guys. Right there. The broiler. That is totally the Burger King Whopper taste. Yep.
For me, it's not bad. I love fast food. I like burgers. I miss the Whopper because I haven't had one in so long. I've been avoiding fast food to try to lose weight and for health reasons, and this is the first fast food burger I've had in probably about 4 or 5 months. And to me, it tastes okay. The taco I had from Burger King wasn't all that good. The taco seemed like a paste. It was a paste. Like they just smeared it on kind of like peanut butter and nuked it, and you know, the cheese was melted, and it wasn't really that good. So I don't know why they're trying to do tacos. That probably won't last long. We'll see what happens.
Oh, not.
I don't think I'll ever get another one of those.
That's definitely much better broiled than microwaved. Big difference in flavor. Huge difference in flavor. I'm not complaining. I'm not saying this is horrible, but I don't think it's too bad.
Can I try that one and see?
Yeah. Yeah. There's no flame broiled taste to it at all.
There's no burger flavor to that one at all.
No.
At least this one you get a little bit of a burger flavor to it.
I agree.
So if you do want a fast food substitute for actual meat, this isn't too bad.
Yep. But because I'm not eating meat, I wanted them to microwave it so it's not touching any other meats. I don't know. You kind of have to sacrifice that for something that tastes like a Whopper. You'd have to sacrifice and have it done on the broiler. But if they had a separate broiler for these, that would be really cool. A broiler where they don't use any meat at all. They only do the Impossible burgers. That would be pretty cool. But yeah, it's alright. These I can get into. In my opinion, the onion rings are one of the best things that Burger King has done, I think. I love them. And the zesty sauce, which is really zesty. Yeah. So, neither one of us got a drink there. We both drink water. So, this is my new water bottle. It holds 32 ounces of water in it. And I'm supposed to drink 2 of these a day. And I haven't even got through my first one, and it's like 5:30. Oh my God. I'm really disappointed. I guess I didn't think about it not having a broiled flavor to it, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
It's something for people that are vegetarian to eat when they go out to a fast food restaurant.
It's an alternative. Yep.
Alternative, right.
More and more people that aren't eating the meat selection, so fast food has to make an alternative for customers to draw on that customer base.
Right, yeah.
I used to order cheeseburgers with extra onion, and they would just open the cheeseburger up and throw extra onion on it, which I like those raw onions, the dehydrated onions from McDonald's, so it didn't really matter to me. But I know a lot of people that, you know, they might order a burger without mustard because you can't, like I said, scrape it off and give the person the burger. So they have to make, you know, it's going to be fresh.
Right. Instead
of sitting in the heater for who knows how long. It, you know, it could sit up 10 minutes under the lamp.
These are So addicting. And you know what, you guys? I'm gonna have a stomach ache and I'm not gonna feel good in about 2 hours from this food. The Impossible Burger is $5.59. The large onion ring is $2.49 with the sauce, and a small onion ring is $1.89. And the taco was a whopping $1, and the taco was worth 10 cents, maybe. The taco was, it looked horrible, and Steve said it was awful, so. But yeah.
That wasn't that good.
So what's the verdict on the Impossible Burger? Yay or nay?
It wasn't bad.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate it?
Probably like a 7, maybe.
10 being the best. All right.
Yeah.
So I say it wasn't good microwaved. It was definitely better broiled. And a 1 out of 10, the microwaved one, I would give it like a 5. Yeah, not so great. The taco, I would say would be a 0. And my onion rings were like a 12. How was your taco out of 1 to 10?
Probably like a 1. I wouldn't buy that again.
No. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed our review of the Impossible Burger at Burger King, and we will talk to you guys later. Have a good night.